BlindXpert is here at the Antares for a customer review on our Megaview.
Why did you decide to go for Megaview instead of our regular SmartZip?
Because of the size of the balcony and also the view when we came in to see our balcony for the first time, we thought there shouldn't be any obstruction in the middle. I didn't even know that there was such a thing called Megaview. Your company is the first one I called and they said there's such a thing. Of course, we asked other people for quotation, but finally, me and my wife decided to take you guys.
Thank you. Why did you ended up choosing us to install for you?
As I said, we got a couple of others. Initially, of course, the MCST for this condo wanted us to follow a certain color for the zip track. So we had to go to the office and find out what is the color and all. So there was this hassle of what if they decide and say that, oh, this is not allowed and all. But the one they suggested, not to name them, they said it's quite impossible to do the Megaview because you promised that no problem, you can do it.
So, will you recommend us to your neighbors?
Definitely, goes without saying.
Thank you.
Because they've already done it, I've seen it, it's wonderful, excellent job. The guys who did it also, they did it so professionally. So definitely I'll suggest you to the rest of the...
So you will recommend us to your neighbors lah.
Definitely.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.